Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. Today I'm Chui again and I will teach you how to start up a blogger for beginner without any codings or without experience. So this video will help you the entire how to create a blogger blogspot website. So now let's get started. First, you need to sign in with your Gmail account, or we can say it Google account, and go to bloggers.com like this. Okay, now go to blogger.com, blogger.com like this, and you need to change your account to your own account. When you ask first to the blogger.com page, you will see the welcome screen like this in 2022 or 21. And here is the blogspot website name. So you can name it to whatever you want. For example, I'm gonna use my brand names just like that. Okay, just like that. And here it is a test. And now we're gonna click OK. And now it is the blogspot address. For example, just like that, it look like the website address, or we can say a blogspot address. So you can put uh, everything that available to you for, and make sure that it is available, just like that. Okay. Now I'm gonna use this name also, and it is the blogspot address, so you can copy it or save it in a notepad or whatever. And then here is the display name. Display name is everything that look like on the screen like this, on the top bar like this. So I'm gonna use this one. Yes. Okay, this is the screen's display, and then click finish. And now we have already created a blog website, but it looks like there is nothing yet because we did not have post anything on that blogger. And here is the blogger website that we have just put it a few moments ago. So now you're gonna go to bloggers page here like this, and then start to change the theme here. And in the part below you can choose a lot of templates just like that, like everyone. So first you go to theme here, and there are a lot of templates for you that you can choose among that. Or if you think that it's not very good or pretty to you, you can download any bloggers template that is completely free and available for you. For example, I'm going to use Google search to see like this blogger template, just like this. And thousands of templates are free that you can use, just like this, or okay, a lot of thousands templates that look like very professional, just like that. It's completely free. Now I'm gonna use this one. Scroll down, you will see the downloads place, dark mode, blue mode or anything. And here is the download is free, and you can buy a premium version also. So now for the testing, I will show you how to download it free. So go click on that, and here now you're gonna see this and everything, and I'll go to the main page here, this page, and then click download like that. Okay, and after you have downloaded this blogger template, you need to go to drag it to that screen, and then open it up and drag it more again, drag it one more time to the screen. And see the template, and here is the XML file here that you can use to upload it to make your bloggers is more beautiful than ever. So go to blogger again, to your bloggers page, and now I'm going to close this all, and you will see the setting here, and you will see the same here, and in this part you will see this one. So click on that and click on restore here, and then you will go to the upload and find the source that we have been downloaded, for example free, be free, and select the template folder, and here is the XML file. So now go ahead and click on that, and everything will be restoring like this. And now the same how you already restore. Now go ahead and click to preview to your blogspot. It looks like very not professional yet, but because there are nothing, or we have no result have been found here. So now we're gonna show you how to the first app posting. Okay, now we're gonna start the news post here. Here's the our blogger blogspot. It looks like not very beautiful yet because we have nothing post here. So now go to post or create a news post here, and the top one is the title, and here is the descriptions. So you gonna write it, your title, what is your posting about. For example, just like this, in blogger template. Okay, and here is my first post here, and here is the text that we're gonna post that. And I'll type in that like this, the title, and everything that you're gonna be posting, so you can write it down. And here's the first of creating the bloggers, and you can also add image or the text direction, the letter numbering and quotient here, and also the font styles, headings and a small, and here is the font style that you want to add. And now I'm gonna use to add some insert image here and upload it from the PC, and I choose the files and go to desktop that you can find out any image. This is the first post that I recommend you to watch it, and select on that, and now we can drag it like this or like this, or go to down and down more, They have a problem because you cannot scroll down more to be to see it the entire part below, but you can a little small scrolling just like this, and you can I don't know how they make this platform to be like that because of developers maybe. And now it is all. When you see everything is posted already, you can now gonna click on publish here and click confirm. And here's the first post, and you have to read all of these things. If you see something on the screen, on the pop-up screen, but I am not gonna read now because I have already read it a few bloggers ago. And now you have one post here. And now go to view your blogs, and you will see your post is appearing like this. So thank you guys for watching my video tutorial, and see you on the next video.